Top scrolling. Venice in a moment, a city of water, whispering alleys, and palaces that float between sky and lagoon. Venice feels like walking inside a painting. Stone, light, and canals that fold the city into endless surprises. Stay with me, I'll show you the best corners next. Gondolas glide in narrow veins. A slow, intimate way to see bridges and private courtyards that streets never reveal. Gondoliers sing, joke, and steer with a patient swagger. Their craft is choreography and local law rolled into one. Slip into a side canal at dusk, reflections double the lantern light and the city suddenly feels like a secret kept between water and wall. Where locals live, cicchetti bars, laundry lines, and piazzas that pulse in harmony when the sun drops. Get lost on purpose, Venice rewards the curious with hidden gardens, tiny bridges, and quiet corners that feel invented just for you. Cicchetti bars are Venice's tapas scene, quick bites, wine on the counter, and food cuts that edit beautifully into short reels. Golden hour over the lagoon is cinematic shorthand, long shadows, warm stone, and a slow reveal of city texture. Venice has it all, markets, arches, and that perfect bridge shot where the city leans toward its own reflection. Piazza San Marco opens like a stage. Campanile, basilica mosaics, and pigeons that insist on being part of the picture. The Doge's palace whispers old power. Carved stone, gilded rooms, and the narrow bridge that once led to confinement. Venice is an art city, frescoes tucked in churches, contemporary shows on island stages, and a biennale that flips expectation. Church close-ups, mosaics, chandeliers, and shadowy aisles give texture and a slow emotional beat to your cut. The Grand Canal sweeps like a living artery, palazzi, bridges, and vaporetti carving slow, cinematic lines through centuries of facades. Venice is a city of small revelations. Turn a corner, and history, color, or a hidden cafe will rearrange your plans. Like this vibe, save it, share it, and tell me which city I should talk about next.